As the wedding day approached, the Lord High Chamberlain's men eagerly awaited the coming of the Scarlet Pumpernickel. At about this time, at an inn near town, a weary young traveler has just alighted from the Dover.
This is the National Weather Service office in Lubbock, Texas. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a risk of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of the broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In Texas, Bailey, Briscoe, Castro, Childress, Cochran, Collingsworth, Cottle, Crosby, Deafsmith, Dickens, Donley, Floyd, Ford, Garza, Hale, Hall, Hardman, Hockley, Kent, King, Lance, Lubbock, Lynn, Motley, Oldham, Palmer, Randall, Stonewall, Swisher, and Terry. In Oklahoma, Greer, Harmon, and Jackson. And in New Mexico, Curry. This concludes the weekly warning alarm system.
Hush, Melissa. Don't be a little fool.
Whoa!